up, King Squad? It's your boy King D Will in the flesh. Yeah, y'all know what happened this weekend when I had that little blowout, you know what I'm saying? The rim bent into my tires and popped my tires. Well, today, your boy about to get back on the road, man. Your boy about to do some things, man, and give y'all some 0 to 60 times and little pulls, you know what I'm saying, just today, you know what I'm saying, because I am glad to get my tires back on, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, man, Misfit, shout out to your boy. Look at my daughter. Shout out, man, to Misfit for that fun time Saturday, man. Need to do it again so that I can race, make it to the races this time. But anyways, I'll pick back up when I get there.
That's even better now, because then we got brand new tire going on there.
Oh yeah.
But nothing ever happened.
Come up here with these nice rims, man. Nice tires and rims.
You said it happened in Memphis, correct?
Yeah, I was on my way. I was actually on my way to what was it, Rivergate? Was it Riverside or Rivergate?
Riverside?
Yeah, Riverside. And train track was coming up, and I slowed down because the last train track I went over kind of jarred my girl's stomach. Yeah. So I slowed down. I probably shouldn't have slowed down. That probably wouldn't have happened.
Mm-hmm.
So it's kind of like I let the pothole beat me instead of me beating the pothole.
Yeah, that's the thing, man. A lot of them in the streets, ain't always in the best of shape.
Man. And then that road was cricket.
That's how you can always tell when you got to some new town. A lot of times it'd be brand new paved roads, and in other towns there would be potholes everywhere.
I don't know.
I gotta leave Raleigh.
I swear it's about like umpteen cars about to go straight in the ditch, because like once you pass that train track, it's another one that's kind of slant and it just goes straight into the ditch. I know, oh man, they gotta fix this.
What year is it again?
What's that?
What year is it again?
2016. What's up? We back, man. I just came from R&R Tire Express. On my way to Guy's Welding, man, so he can heat up my rim and bend it back together. Like I said, man, these are great guys, man. R&R. Shout out to R&R for my tires. And shout out to Guy's Welding. Description being info will be in the description below. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Again, I'm on my way to Guy's Welding right now. We're gonna see how that goes. But I'll see y'all when I get there. For all y'all stain gangs out there, you know what I'm saying? Nice little green jump with a black stripe.
I can't see. This one.
So what's up, King Squad?
Hi. Hi. Look up fast, Daddy. Go fast.
On the video, I forgot I was videoing almost.
Go fast.
They need to hurry fix these roads though, man. It's starting over.
He can't, Kyle.
Can't go fast right now, son. Look at this.
Look, they're fixing the road.
Fixing the road. Looking like Memphis out here.
They didn't do this the other day.
I don't know. But it's crazy, man. But yeah, man, y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Hit that bell, man. I got more content coming, man. A little bit today. When I get this tire on. Do a couple pulls, man. I ain't ever really just used my performance pages, you know, use my 0 to 60 time after I put all these miles on. Well, a few miles, not a lot, but a few miles. I got miles coming. But yeah, man, I'll see y'all when I get there. We have reached Jay's Welding, but look like we in the boondocks. I don't know what's going on here. But I'm guessing this is. I'm guessing this is it. This who
Yes, we're coming out here. R&R has sent us the address. We don't know if we're in the right spot or not.
Are you in a white vehicle?
Yes.
Right there in front of that white truck, and he'll come out here and talk to you.
Okay, we wasn't for sure if it's the right spot or not.
He's the one in the hoodie.
He's the one with it. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
He's gonna come out here and talk to you. So you're the one.
Yeah, this is the right spot, guys. But I was looking for. I guess it is a shop. I guess it is a shop, but I was looking for like a, you know, industrial shop or something. But yeah, let's get out here and talk to him real quick and see how this goes. How you doing, sir?
How's it going, man?
I had called yesterday about a rim.
Uh-huh.
And they told me to bring it out here. R&R recommended y'all. So they told me to bring it out here. And I guess whoever I talked to
Yep.
said it was like $60 or something like that.
Let's look at it.
Okay. Right in the trunk.
All right. You know where I'm at? Okay. I'm here no matter what. I'm here. That right there is what you got.
That little piece right there.
You got anything on the back?
I don't think so. That's what a
Yeah, he's pretty good shape. Just got that right there. Now, when I heat that up, it's going to kind of mess with the color of the paint. I can't match that paint.
Oh, that's fine. I can always powder coat it later.
Yeah.
So
I'm just letting you know.
yeah, they told me that.
We can fix it, but the paint's going to suffer a little bit, which is, you know, that's just part of it. But we can do it.
That's fine.
And $60.
Y'all
Give me
take
probably about 30, 40 minutes, an hour, something like that.
Okay.
I have to go real slow on that to keep it.
Okay, y'all take cash or card?
Either one.
Either one? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cash is cheaper, which is straight 60. Card be tax, card fee, and stuff like that.
Okay, so it'd be better for me to go get cash out the bank.
If you want to,
then
like
come back.
cash,
Okay.
cash work with me.
All right, that works.
But if you don't, we can do a card, no problem.
Okay, that works. Well, I can go. Let me go to the bank real fast, and I'll come back through here.
All right. Hopefully, by the time you get back, you load this up.
All right. Thank you very much.
All right.
Camera, get back in the back seat.
You too, man.
All right, go ahead. All right, so just dropped it off. Now I'm on my way to the bank to get the man his $60. Said I was in pretty good shape. I don't know if that meant that I didn't really need. That I don't really need the heat. But we gonna get it done anyway. You know what I'm saying? Just be on the safe side. I don't wanna have anything messed up. He did say the paint will be discolored.
No, not yet. Probably. Because I'm just giving them
So, anyways, I'm going to the bank. I'll pick back up here later. But yeah, guys, said the paint was, you know what I'm saying, be a little discolored, but that's okay. Because I plan on changing rims anyway, or, you know what I'm saying, getting smaller rims for the back racing rims. So I can fit some 305s in the back. Maybe go down to about 17s. Put some 305s on them. In the front, keep them, you know what I'm saying, keep them at, I want to say at least 20 to 18, and those, keep those 275. But, yeah, man, if y'all know anybody, you know what I'm saying, that here in Jonesboro or anywhere, they can do good, you know what I'm saying, good powder coating, comment it below, and I'll check them out. But like I said, I'm on my way to the bank. When I come from the bank, come back here and pick up my tire, my rim, and then go back to R&R and get my tire, pick it up, let them slap it on there real quick, and I'll be back on the road, guys. And I will be doing a little pull just to get back in the field of going fast, because driving the speed limit, you know, that ain't my forte. But yeah, guys, just keep your head up. I'll see y'all when I get there. There you go, guys. That's what the finished project look like. It's straight now. About to go ahead and see if they put the tire in here now. Like I said, just a little chip, man. I'm gonna get it powder coated, so ain't no biggie. And pay to be the boss, man. Pay to be the boss. Hold on just a second. Yo, if you need any tires, man, Discount Tires where you need to go, you know what I'm saying? We are officially sponsored by Discount Tires, man. You go up there and say that you're a part of Arkansas State Mopars, and get 10% off of your tires, man. You also get half off on the installation. So if y'all need any tires, man, go up there and get them from Discount Tires. And information will be also in the description. On my way back to we are on our way. Sorry, guys. We are on our way back to R&R to put my tires back on my rim. I'm gonna show you guys what it look like now, but I'm thinking about powder coating it glossy red. And if I do that, man, I don't think I'm gonna wrap my car, but we're gonna see how that goes. We're gonna see what I feel like at the time. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Guys, it's coming together, man. It's coming together. It's all coming together. Look at this nice Mopar right here. That green thing right there. Yes, sir. Scat. I hear you. Anyways, guys. Say what? Another scat right there. Yes, sir. But yeah, man. All I had time I was gonna be looking out for the skeeter bug, the beater. You know what I'm saying? The beater. She gonna do a little small miles, tire miles. You know what I'm saying? She need to go ahead and jump on that YouTube thing herself, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, guys, let me show y'all what he done to my rim. And like I said, he told me it was gonna do that. It's gonna be a little, you know what I'm saying, a little discolored, which is okay, you know what I'm saying, because I want to powder coat my rims now, which give you guys more content. So hey, it's a win-win. But I will show y'all when we get there. Alright, guys, yeah, you see it. Back in business, man. Back in business. Got my back tires on now. So later on today, I'm gonna take y'all out to a little abandoned road and do like a few pulls, man. See what she can do. Man, I sure had I missed the races, man. I sure had I missed the races. I mean, I didn't miss the races, but I missed the races. If you get what I'm saying? Meaning, I wanted to race, didn't race, blowout. But
Daddy, you left Mom's jacket outside.
okay, open the door,
And get it in here?
kids. Open the door, pull it in. That's all you gotta do. But anyway, guys, like I said, later on, I got a few things to do before I go to this little strip and do a little pulls and
Snap, close that.
see what she can do. Cause I ain't, like I said, I haven't used the performance page yet or do the 0 to 60. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the strip. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So we got a little hiccup, man. R&R called me and told me that my tires are the wrong size, so I got 3 275 40/20s and 1 275 45/20. And tried to do a pull in just minutes ago and don't feel too comfortable, so I won't be doing any. Oh, there we go. Look at that. She be ready to go. But won't be doing any pulls right now. I sure could have made that on this kind of car, you know what I'm saying? That's what we do, but I ain't doing it. I'm trying to play safe today. I'm doing a little GTA jump, you know, when they stop at every light. And then there's a police right there, so nah, I ain't gonna risk it. I ain't gonna try to speed down this little bumpy road. But anyways, not, like I said, I'm not gonna be able to do any pulls right now. But I will do some pulls once I get the right tire tomorrow. But if y'all stay tuned, like I said, I got more things, you know what I'm saying, more videos, more content coming your way. So just stay tuned and like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. King Squad, I'm out.